Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Welcome back to Gunther's Kitchen. Today we're making Thai green curry with eggplant from scratch. Paste and everything. So stick around and check it out. The ingredients you need is chicken thighs, eggplant, fish sauce, palm sugar, coconut cream, and our homemade green curry paste. Okay, so our frying pan is hot. So now let's put half our coconut milk in. And we're just waiting until the milk is separating. Then we're adding our curry paste. Okay, as you can see, the milk is separating now. Now we're adding our curry paste. And I'm going to add 2 big spoonfuls, and we let that fry through. That's where you get all the fragrance and flavor from. I will add a bit more fish sauce because I didn't add any shrimp paste. So this is our curry paste is not very salty. Might add another spoonful because we have got quite a big amount of chicken. Just be careful it doesn't start burning on the edge. Beautiful color, and the smell is amazing. Okay, so now I'm adding my palm sugar. And I'm adding the rest of the coconut milk. And a bit of water. Okay, now it's time to add our chicken. I cut the chicken fairly small, and we're adding our eggplant. I'm going to add fish sauce. I add about 2 tablespoons. As I said, I didn't add any shrimp paste. Okay, and then I just put a lid on it and bring this slowly simmering. I nearly forgot, I have to add my lime leaves. Okay, the curry is ready. So now we're just squeezing a lime on top of it. As you can see, there's the green oil, or the coconut oil is coming out. So it's a sign of a good curry. And fresh coriander leaves on top. And ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Thai green curry. It looks absolutely delicious. As always, follow, subscribe, tell a friend, and I'll see you soon on YouTube at Gunther's Kitchen. Bye for now.